Come test drive the 2016 Tundra. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, intermittent wipers, running boards, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, auto express down window, power driver's seat. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.